What if I told you that you could skyrocket your net worth by 40 times just with one decision? Sounds like a game changer, right? Buckle up because it's absolutely possible. I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And I help people buy and sell real estate in the Charlotte metro. And we're not just selling homes, we're unlocking financial potential in the Charlotte metro. Here's the golden nugget. According to the Federal Reserve survey of consumer finances, being a homeowner can increase your net worth by almost 40 times compared to renting. Yes, that you heard it right. 40 times. Why is it such a big gap? It's all about building equity. As a homeowner, every mortgage payment is a step towards increasing your home's value. It's like planting a money tree in your backyard and watching it grow. Renting, on the other hand, is like watering someone else's garden. You spend the money, but the flowers bloom elsewhere. Nobody wants to do that. Nicole Bashaw, a senior economist with Zillow, nails it. Owning a home is often the largest asset you'll ever have. It's the key to unlocking financial stability and wealth. What's the game plan? If you're ready to start building your empire, it's crucial to team up with an experienced agent and lender. It's like having a financial GPS. We guide you through the maze and get you into your dream home. Reach out to me and my fantastic team, and we're here to help you make one of the biggest and most rewarding decisions of your life. So let's start building your net worth today. I'd love to hear from you and your thoughts on the 2024 market. Drop me a message or give me a call. Let's chat about your future in a home of your own. I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And remember, nobody sells Charlotte like we do. Have a great day, Charlotte. Let's make your homeownership dreams come true.